Hello everyone, please subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on these tools, and leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences with these scanners. Have you ever been stuck trying to figure out why your check engine light is on, right before a long drive, and wished you could just know what's wrong without a costly trip to the mechanic? Today we're solving that problem once and for all by counting down the 5 best code readers and scan tools that help you diagnose vehicle issues fast, save money, and take control of your car's maintenance. At number 5 we have the WEJOWE OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. This professional diagnostic tool is compatible with most cars and trucks manufactured after 1996 and is designed to read and clear engine trouble codes directly from your vehicle's onboard computer. It features a built-in database of tens of thousands of OBD2 trouble codes with lookup definitions, supports reading and clearing check engine lights, shows freeze frame data, retrieves vehicle identification information, and can even display live data streams depending on the model you get. What makes the WEJOWE OBD2 scanner stand out is its blend of simplicity and depth. It's much more than a basic code reader, giving you real-time insight into your engine's performance and the ability to understand what's triggering those warning lights before they become major problems. It's especially great for everyday drivers and DIYers who want a reliable tool that's easy to use without sacrificing useful information. This scanner is a solid pick if you're stepping up from the most basic readers and want something more capable without jumping into high-end professional gear. The only minor drawback is that some advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity or ABS system diagnostics aren't available on every version, but for most users this tool is still a great investment. Coming in at number 4 is the ANCEL AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner, a well-rounded code reader that supports all OBDII protocols including KWP 2000, ISO 9141, J1850 VPW, J1850 PWM, and CAN, which means it works with virtually any 1996 or newer vehicle sold around the world. It has a bright 2.4-inch TFT true color display, offers over 42,000 built-in diagnostic trouble code lookups, and can read and clear emission-related codes, perform O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, and check IM readiness before emission testing. You don't need a battery or charger since it powers directly from the car's OBDII port, and lifetime free software updates help keep it current. The AD410 is a reliable all-purpose scanner that balances ease of use with powerful diagnostic capabilities. It's perfect for first-time scanner buyers and anyone who wants more information than a basic code reader without a big learning curve. The large, easy-to-read screen and extensive code library make tracking down engine issues a lot less intimidating, and the extra system tests give you insight beyond just engine codes. The only minor drawback is that it's focused on engine and emission systems, so if you want advanced ABS or transmission diagnostics, you'll want to look at more expensive tools, but its overall value still makes it a worthwhile addition to your garage. At number 3 we've got the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 Scanner, a more advanced diagnostic tool that brings live data capabilities and multi-system support to the table. The NT301 not only reads and clears generic OBDII codes and turns off the check engine light, it also displays real-time live data, such as RPMs, temperatures, sensor readings, and more. It includes an intuitive built-in DTC lookup library, supports multiple languages, and has a bright 2.8-inch LCD screen for easy viewing. This makes it especially useful if you want more than just code numbers and want to see how your engine components are performing under real conditions. This scanner is great for advanced DIY mechanics or small shop owners who want deeper insight into a vehicle's health without paying for a full professional diagnostic system. The live data streaming and graphing capabilities give you much more context than basic code readers, helping you understand not just that something is wrong, but how it's behaving. A minor drawback is that it doesn't have wireless connectivity and must be updated via a PC, but its robust feature set still puts it above many entry-level tools. Our runner-up at number 2 is the MOTOPOWER MP69033 Car OBD2 Scanner, a budget-friendly scanner with big screen clarity and essential diagnostic functions you need for everyday use. This tool supports most OBDII protocols for vehicles manufactured after 1996 and features a backlit LCD display that makes reading engine fault codes, freeze frame data, and IM readiness checks easy. It's powered directly from the OBDII port, requires no batteries, and can read and clear engine codes quickly and reliably when you need to get to the bottom of that check engine light. What makes the MP69033 stand out is its simplicity and performance at a very approachable price point. If you want a straightforward scanner that gets the job done without tons of extras, this is a perfect choice for most car owners and beginner DIY mechanics. Its clear contrast display and support for key diagnostic functions make it a great everyday tool. Just keep in mind that it doesn't provide ABS, airbag, or advanced system tests, but for engine diagnostics it's still a solid pick. And at number 1, the standout choice in our lineup is the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. This classic tool reads and clears engine trouble codes on most vehicles built from 1996 onward and includes a backlit display with adjustable contrast that ensures you can see results clearly. It powers directly from your car's OBD2 port, supports multiple languages for easy navigation, and provides quick readings so you can identify and address check engine warnings without guesswork. The AD310 earns the top spot because it's simple, dependable, and perfect for almost any car owner who wants a reliable scanner without unnecessary bells and whistles. Its timeless design and dependable performance make it a great first scanner or backup tool for seasoned DIYers, and it consistently delivers accurate fault codes that help you make informed repair decisions. A minor drawback is that its display isn't as dynamic as some newer models, but that doesn't take away from its core strength of dependable functionality. Thanks for watching our countdown of the 5 best code readers and scan tools you can get today. These products stand out because they help you understand your vehicle's health, save on costly diagnostics, and give you confidence when troubleshooting issues. Don't forget to subscribe. Check the links in the description for the best available deals, and share your thoughts or experiences with any of these scanners down in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think.